2017, we had an opportunity to acquire a more automated 100% frozen producer in Western Mass. And so we acquired the Diana's Bakery in 2017. And that kind of helped catapult getting us into how do we carry what we do for fresh convenience today and transition that so that we have an offering that really does provide a full solution for some of our customers. Because there is a need for fresh and there is a need for frozen product. And so how do we continue to expand and be that solution that they lean on? So that kind of got us into that arena and helped us really understand how dynamically different that was. Just because both plants were making donuts, they were doing them very different ways. And that was a really good learning and onboarding for us. And, as we continue, I think a lot of our growth is really staged for how we continue to be a solution for that convenience channel.